Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 17th of January 2022. So today is Monday. So as we said, today we want to see whether KLSE KLCI can hold or not. So I already expected, right? I said the KLCI most very likely cannot hold. Okay, so this morning big drop already. And today also got some chance for this technology to rebound. Technology stock some got some rebound, some of the semiconductor stock. Never mind, okay, we check out that one shortly. Before we start, remember subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, leave your comment. There's a lot of comment, very informative comments. You guys giving now. There is not only one way highway, now it's two-way highway. I give some information. You guys give us a lot of information. So good job. So let's check out the introduction before we dive into the chart. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's see what's going on in the market. Okay, KLCI, right? Expected, right? Last week, I said that, remember, I said that this line no longer can hold because why? Because of the divergence. So we saw it before it happened. Okay, because of this divergence, it dropped down. So I said most probably 1546 also will not hold. Very likely it come back to test around 1525 to 1520, this area. Now this area will probably retest this area. Probably even it will drop lower. Because you know, right, this one is not the actual move supported by a lot of fundamental. This move was a part of a window dressing kind of move. So don't expect this one to be too strong. But no doubt, it did help the market to grow. If it doesn't have this window dressing, KLSE will be even worse. Okay, so expected a drop. So now, right, have to be careful. Short-term play, short-term touch and go stock, have to be careful. Lose money out already. Okay, except those recovery stock. Okay, recovery stock. Those are long-term bank stock lah. Genting stock lah. All those maybe still can hold. Recovery stock. Maybe those are what? Magnum lah. Those are stock lah. Some retail stock lah. Not really those consumer stock. Okay. So let's check out today, sentiment 36, gainers 272, not so good, losers 478. Okay, almost double the gainers. So volume very small, 1.21, only 12 points, 12.06 points down. So 1543. Today consumer drop 0.35, industry drop 0.5, in the construction up 0.1, technology some rebound expected, right? Okay, last week I said if you haven't sell your technology stock, wait for a while, wait for a few days. Most likely a lot of people will think that now the technology is very cheap. A lot of people might want to buy in, but not me. Finance is 0.49 down. Property 0.65 down, plantation 1.63 down. So plantation also touch and go cannot. Plantation we saw on Saturday video, right? Saturday I think I forgot to talk about CPO. I think I missed something on Saturday video, which is this one. I just remember now. I forgot to put this one on the Saturday video. So let me. I forgot to put the CPO on the Saturday video. I think I forgot to talk about CPO. Okay, so palm oil now I think palm oil is reaching a triple top, one top, two top, triple top. This is not very good. Okay, the price haven't broke through, and it's making lower high also. So these are divergence around here. So probably I think this price for CPO cannot hold. Palm oil cannot hold. Most likely cannot hold. The 5,004 cannot hold. Most likely will drop. Most likely will drop. That's why you can see this plantation stock start to drop. So be careful this one. If drop, lose money, let go first. Energy drop up 0.39. Energy still okay because oil price still strong. Healthcare drop 0.32. Telecommunication up 0.67. Transportation drop. Telecommunication drop 0.67. Transportation drop 0.51. Utility drop 0.13. Okay, so let's check out the top gainers. See what going on. MPI, okay, there's some energy from MPI. F&N, maybe you want to take a look at F&N. I never long time never take a look at F&N. Not a lot of people want to play F&N. Let me see at 24 ringgit. Aeon Credit, UNISEM GREATECH, all the technology stock coming back. ATECH, ATECH, TAFI, maybe take a look. What else? Who else got more? UCHI, Coaster, Heng Yuan, IRECA. Wow, IRECA very strong. Take a look, IRECA. PIE. Most of stock rebound is technology just the technology stock coming back okay. So take a quick look Take a quick look at the technology stock, see whether how you're gonna deal with it Okay, MPI, take a quick look. MPI should already cut loss. Remember all these already cut loss. So you haven't cut loss, now is your chance to run. I don't think it's a chance to play. I will not be investing, will not be playing. So this one MPI, most likely there will be 1-2 day rebound over here a bit, or 1 or 2 days, a few days rebound. So it's a chance to run. If you haven't run, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Wednesday, some more rebound. Okay, near your buy-in price, I think possible opportunity to run. Most likely it will come to here. I think most likely it come to here somewhere. 45, somewhere near. It might rebound back to somewhere to 45 or 44, 45 most likely. So maybe if you want to run, for me I will run first. MPI, UNISEM. UNISEM also small, some rebound. So if you plan to run, if you plan to hold, okay, there's nothing I can say. But if you plan to run, maybe another 1-2 days rebound, maybe you can have opportunity to run. We are supposed to run around here, 4 ringgit. Maybe you can rebound a bit more, maybe opportunity to run. GREATECH also, all these opportunity to run. All these opportunity to run. GREATECH also small rebound. Maybe run higher. If you rebound higher, maybe you want to run. Or maybe it comes back to here, probably. If you got chance to run, if you don't have chance to run, then nothing can be said. If you have chance to run, come back to your break-even price, then maybe you want to run. Or drop a lot. This is minor, very minor only. Maybe wait for another 1-2 days, see how far it can rebound. If you want to run, then the opportunity to run. INARI. Also, you see some rebound over here. INARI probably can rebound a bit more here to here. 3.5 probably can. ATECH. ATECH, I outlined the strategy for ATECH, right? Remember ATECH? I said, okay, draw the channel over here. Once it drop outside the channel, run. So now continue to drop already. If it didn't run, you really lost. Okay, drop outside the channel. Already 18% down. So this one you got chance to run. If you don't have chance, probably there's one more push coming. Look at this. These are holding at RSI 50. So probably there's another small push. If you didn't run, if you continue to drop down below here, also probably you have to run 1.96. If you drop below 1.96, you also need to run already. Remember that I said 2.355, right? You have to run. If you want to look at the line, probably the best you look at this line. If you drop out, it cannot go through, right? You see, it dropped already. It cannot go up. It went back down again, right? This one confirmed already. You have to run. Okay, these are confirmation. And remember, when you have a big green red candle, you have to be careful when you're chasing momentum, right? Green candle. This red candle almost as big as a big this green candle. Have to be very careful already. FPI, some you guys asked about FPI. FPI, there's nothing much lah. FPI is still in the correction channel. Wait for a rebound first at the bottom channel. So F&N. Maybe this one is those stock that you might want to go for the recovery stock. F&N. F&N is food and beverage. Let me see. F&N. F&N okay. Looks like got something here. F&N got something to play. Let me see. F&N. Delete all this first. Let me see. Let me redraw everything. MIDF give it 33. Okay. So F&N. Let me see the channel. How we gonna do this? The channel. We got a channel over here. Channel. Long-term channel here and here. Okay. So we got another one. Possible, this one possible recovering. Once it goes through here, 26.425, want to take a look. 26.425 for F&N. Now it's still, it haven't actually make a bottom yet. Maybe after 26.425, if we can go above there, maybe it's gonna way back to 33. So F&N, you might want to look at here. These are recovery stock. These are recovery stock. Long-term recovery stock. Not much to play, but still got something. Not much to play. 20 over percent. Okay, so this one possible. You might want to take a look at F&N for long-term. After it can go through, let me see. Should it go through here? The resistance, support, resistance. Here is 25, 26. No, here better. 26 for F&N. Long term Erika today, big spike today. Let's see what happened to Erika. Erika already hit target already. Already hit target 0.82. So it cannot go anymore. Coming back down already. Erika. Erika that day hit this target, so coming back down. Now it's got one more push. Erika probably got one more push up. So maybe want to take profit here, 0.82. Another push up around here. Maybe want to take half profit. Half profit. See whether go through. We continue hold. If you cannot go through, okay, then come back down. Then you sell all. This is how I would play. Okay. So that's it for today. So stay tuned for the evening video. See you later. Bye bye.